Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today I'm preparing an outdoor tablescape on my picnic table in the back. So I'm gonna start by giving this area a thorough cleaning, honey, because it was in desperate need. I haven't really been back here for the entire summer. So let's clean this area and then we'll begin our tablescape. Today, the ladies of Elegance present to you Tablescape Tuesdays 22, our open playlist. This is hosted by myself, Amethyst Adventures, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels, as well as the playlist, will be in my description box below. So please stop by for some awesome tablescape decorating inspiration. Now sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this tablescape together. For this tablescape look, I've combined some items that I had on hand with some recent thrift purchases and some DIYs. So let me tell you all about it. This beautiful tablecloth is a thrift find, and so are the blue and white pattern plates. The chargers and the salad plates are from Dollar Tree, as well as the coasters and the little white candle holders on the table, all from Dollar Tree. I already had on hand this beautiful water pitcher as well as my apothecary jar. Inside the apothecary jar, I have some florals which are a mix of thrifted and Dollar Tree florals. And then from Home Goods, recently I purchased these beautiful clear candle holders with the blue candles. The napkins and placemats were from Home Goods last year. And altogether, I think they make a beautiful statement table. So I hope you like it. Please let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if you're enjoying this beautiful shades of blue tablescape, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And while I'm at it, let me invite you to participate in Tablescape Tuesdays 22, our open playlist every Tuesday at 6 p.m. hosted by the ladies of Elegance. We would love to have you. Any style, any color, any theme, your choice. Have fun with it. We'd love to see your beautiful creations. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this gives you inspiration. Until next time.